In this video, I'm going to show you how to shuffle between photos on your iPhone's lock screen on iOS 16 and later. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up your lock screen, and then just hold down somewhere on the screen and it moves you to lock screen wallpaper editor, where you can tap at that plus sign to create new wallpaper. You can add multiple different pictures as a wallpaper and then set up auto shuffle between them. All you have to do in order to do that is just hit right there at photo shuffle, and then here you can select between use featured photos or select photos manually. I'll choose the second one and it brings me to my phone's gallery, and right here I can just by tapping at this picture select a picture that I want to use. Also I can switch here between featured, people, nature, and right there I can tap on albums and then I can open up any album, let it be for example Instagram album, and then I can check mark some images from here. There at the bottom you can see the amount of pictures that are already selected, and then once you have finished with that, just hit on add to create a wallpaper. Now then tap right here at three dots icon and it shows you shuffle frequency, and you can switch it from daily to hourly to on lock or on top. I'll set it on top and then I'll tap at done and see what happened. Now I can first tap on set as wallpaper pair, and now I can use that wallpaper. I can simply tap on lock screen somewhere to change the wallpaper. Pretty cool, huh? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.